Our first speaker for the day is Dr. Hassan Sarfaraz, who will be starting with a session on extended learning opportunities. Dr. Sarfaraz is the head of Implantology, a professor in the Department of Prosthodontics, Inapoya Dental College. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
All right. So we did have a very long session yesterday. I hope each one of you is fresh and completely recharged today for another session today. Before I begin today's session, I would like to summarize, kind of sum up what happened, what we spoke about yesterday. We spoke about the quality of our educational system, which largely lies on the committed faculty members that we have, the quality infrastructure that we have, supportive administration, and a large pool of learning resources. And last but not the least, it's you guys, the hardworking and brilliant students. I'm sure by now you would have realized that we have ticked almost all boxes yesterday. We at Inapoya would like to ensure you that we will do everything possible to equip you with the best possible teaching and learning resources, practical and clinical exposure, training methods, so that you can all shape your life and career for a challenging world out there. We believe in inspiring minds and improving their intellectual capacity and building characters, which you will treasure for a lifetime. Now, today I am asked to speak about the extended learning programs, resources, or programs that we offer at the Inapoya Dental College or the Inapoya University at large. So I will just put up my presentation quickly. All right. So we're speaking about extended learning at Inapoya. Before I begin, what is extended learning? Now, this refers to any educational program that you can opt for, along with or beyond the primary course that you have enrolled for at Inapoya Dental College. Why, you may ask why you would want to do it. It definitely plays a crucial role in acquiring more knowledge to improve your it will also provide an opportunity to you to consolidate and enrich and extend their learning. So what do we have to offer? We have certain certificate courses and fellowship programs, and also one PG diploma that I'm going to talk about. I'm going to keep it simple, straight, short as well, so that I don't take much of your time. This is just for your information, and any further details can be obtained from the description. To begin with, we run the certificate course on dental practice management. It's a new course. Now, this is for all you people who are already thinking of setting a practice once you finish your MDS, your course here, or even people who already have practice and would like to take it to the next level. Now, this course is going to teach you a little bit of business management that can help you improve productivity and optimize profitability. It will give you some skills in essential marketing, human resource management, and financial skills to run your clinic professionally. It will strengthen your communication skills and ensure quality patient care and safe working environment. Now, this course is conducted for 3 months. Now, this course will be conducted after your normal clinical working hours. The curriculum and the details can be obtained from Dr. Margie Jose, who is the Vice Principal. Her email is on the slide, or else you can contact her from the office. Key important thing is that we have 2 very eminent external faculty who are joining us for this course, along with the already introduced faculty team of faculty that we have. The course is coordinated by Dr. Majijos, and any further detail about curriculum, your course fee, and things like that, you can speak to her and obtain further detail. Now, the Center for Oral Implantology is, some of them spoke about it, and we run about 4 courses in the Center for Oral Implantology. One is for the interns, which is not mentioned here. It's a startup program that we run for the interns. But for the postgraduates, we have 3 special courses. The first one is the basic implantology course. Now, postgraduate students from the disciplines of oral surgery, prosthetics, and perio would have already enrolled for this course. And this course is going to start in the month of Jan, the first week of Jan. It runs for about 6 months. It's a 3-module course, and 3 modules and 3 days each. Now, this is a basic course where we talk about how you select your case and how do you place implants in a straightforward scenario, and how do you prosthetically restore them. You will be required to finish a minimum of 4 cases to complete this course, and you get a separate certificate on this course. The details, I will be speaking to all these people who are already enrolled for this course in a short period of time. But people, the postgraduate students from the other department who would be interested in enrolling for this course can get in touch with me, and I will share more details. Right? And people who have who want to do more in implantology, I realize that many of you who have joined us have primarily focused on learning more about implantology, and that is the current trend. We also have an advanced implantology program which commences in the month of July, first week of July, and runs through December. It's a 6 months, again, 4-module course, 2 surgical modules and 2 prosthetic modules. Now, during this course, we speak about, we train you on all the grafting procedures, GPRs, direct sinus lift, indirect sinus lift. We also train you on full mouth rehabilitations, like the all-on-4s and all-on-6 and things like that. The highlight is you're going to get exclusive, intensive lab exposure on how the prosthesis is done. And that is the highlight, because we have a fantastic laboratory established in Enterprise Dental College. Now, people who would have already done some sort of basic training in implantology from their other colleges can opt to take advanced implantology straight away without doing the basic course. Now, again, further information I will give you directly, so you can get in touch with me, or you can even email me on that email. We also run a fellowship program, which is a 1-year program. We take 2 participants, 2 candidates each year. Again, starts in Jan, and it's a 2-semester program. Okay, the first semester is the basic training, and the second semester is the advanced training. The curriculum is almost similar, but you're doing more number of implants here. So the first 6 months, a minimum of 10 implants, and the second implants, a minimum of 10 implants. So altogether 20. But you can do much more than that, because you're here for the entire year. At the end of the training, you will also have to give a small examination to clear the fellowship and get the certification. The certification is given by the university. There is also something I would like to share here is somebody who enrolls for the basic course and who would like to take up the fellowship can continue as a fellow after they finish their MDS. They may have to stay for 6 more months and then complete the fellowship. Again, they will have to complete the minimum required 20 cases for the fellowship and give the exams at the end. So the exams are usually scheduled in the month of December. So again, get in touch with me in case you want to know more about it. Along with our faculties from oral surgery, me coordinating this course, and from perio and prosthetics, we do have 2 external faculty who come and help us mentor the students. share their expertise. One is Dr. Anjan Kumar Shah from Bangalore and Dr. Mahendranath Reddy, who's a prosthetic guy who owns his own lab from Hyderabad. Okay, they've been here with us for more than 7-8 years now. Dr. Reddy has been here for more than 10 years, coming to us, to our college for more than 10 years. So, coming to the next program is the program in aesthetic dentistry. I'm glad to mention that this is one of the most sought after course that we run. In the first year itself, we have completed 3 batches of the certificate course in aesthetic dentistry. The highlight is very intensive bench work and hands-on sessions on dental photography, on how to document your cases, how to make photographs, one-to-one mentoring by our faculty on clinical exercise. They are there chairside helping you do the finishing of your composite direct or indirect restorations. The primary content, I mean, the basic structure, there's much more than this, but the highlights are direct, indirect composite restorations, the science of color and additions, perioaesthetics, porcelain laminates, and all ceramic restorations. You can contact Dr. Pratap, HOD Conservative Dentistry, who is also the course coordinator for aesthetic dentistry. Again, this course is highly in demand because of the charismatic faculty that we have. Dr. Deepak is an aesthetic dentist from Bangalore, who is well known, and people love him for the way he connects with the students and gives them one-to-one mentoring for the participants. So that is one big USP of this course, and that's why it's even the 4th batch is almost getting filled quickly. And just because of the pandemic, it is delayed. All right. I think most of us, even prosthetic, Shuri mentioned about the CAD Mill Digital Laboratory. Now, we do digital work in the lab. Now, you all know that why I'm talking about this prosthetic technology course here. We should understand that digital workflow is catching up quite fast, and nowadays we are shifting slowly. I mean, the rest of the world is almost shifted to digital workflow. We are slowly catching up. Although we have the technology, we probably the cost factor is involved, so that's why slightly slow. But this is all about making digital impressions and finishing the processes completely digital. There is no wax up and things like that. Everything is milled and fabricated. So this course is basically for the lab technicians and those who want to upgrade to the digital workflow. But it is also open to people who have done BDS, who are diversifying into lab technology, setting up on their own labs. And I mean, that's a new trend because digital dentistry is progressing at a very fast, exponential pace. Okay, so Dr. Zaid is coordinating this course. You can get in touch with him. These are the faculty involved in the course. We will also have some international master dental technicians coming in as and when the course happens. Okay, this is just for your information, and in case some of your friends want to know about these courses. We also have the Craniofacial Center for Craniofacial Anomalies running 2 fellowship programs. One is the fellowship in cleft orthodontics, along with the Department of Orthodontics. Now, this is a comprehensive training program for orthodontists in the management of surgical cleft lip and palate orthodontics. It focuses on treatment planning, arriving at surgical treatment objectives, pre-surgical orthodontics and post-surgical orthodontics. Now, this is a 1-year course, and I believe it can be taken up only after you complete your post-graduation. And for your full detail on the curriculum and things like that, you can get in touch with our principal, I think, who is the director of Center for Craniofacial Anomalies, Dr. Akhtar Hussain, and also Dr. Hari Kishore, or Faizan, to give you further details on these courses, on this fellowship. There's another fellowship that they run that is on cleft lip and craniofacial surgery. Again, it is for oral and maxillofacial surgeons. Once you finish your MDS, you may have to extend your stay here to take up these fellowships. And this is going to help you acquire technical skills required in the pre-operative planning and cleft craniofacial surgeries. Again, 1-year course. More details from Dr. Hari Kishore Bhatt from the Department of from the Center for Craniofacial Analysis. I think he should be available at the Department of Oral Surgery as well. Or you can mail him on that email ID. There's a new center that we started this year. That's the Center for Forensic Odontology. Now, the Center for Forensic Odontology runs a PG diploma in Forensic Anthropology and Odontology, along with the Department of Forensic Medicines from Anapa Medical College. Now, this diploma is an extensive one, a 1-year program, 3 contact programs, 1 week each. You may have to do one short-term thesis project to be completed to complete the course. It basically will give you an overview of forensic anthropology, disaster victim identification, and forensic odontology. Now, Dr. Sudhindra Prabhu is the in charge head of the Center for Forensic Odontology. More details from him on this email ID, or he will be available in the Department of Oral Pathology in the 4th floor. You can get in touch with him and gain more inputs from him on this PG diploma. Again, this will require you to stay back after your post-graduation. We have another course that is coming up, that is a certificate course in laser dentistry. It's actually it should have commenced this year, but due to the pandemic and there's some delay. But I'm sure we are starting it quite soon once we're back at work, completely in full force. More details will be available from Dr. Vidyapat, who's a professor in the Department of Prosthodontics. You can get in touch with her to get more inputs on this course, and I think this course also can be taken up along with your current post-graduation program. I think that's about it. Thank you all. I hope I kept it quite simple and straight. And I conclude with this tagline: may Almighty Allah increase you and me in knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sarfaraz, sir, for elaborating on the various extended learning opportunities available above and beyond the regular course prescribed. The moderator for today's session is Dr. Vinay Krishna, sir, Additional Professor, Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. Kindly take over, sir.
Very good morning to everyone. Today, for the benefit of the postgraduates, we have 3 wonderful sessions about pedagogy by Dr. Pushpanjali, and we have about seminars, preparations and presentations by Dr. Padmini, and one more session is by Dr. Animesh Jain, who is professor in the Department of Community Medicine from KMC. So first session will be starting with the speaker, Dr. Pushpanjali. She'll be elaborating on pedagogy in detail, so that all postgraduates should make use of this particular session. Very important session for all the PGs. Even the exam going PGs can then take the entire advantage of this session. She'll be introduced by Dr. Shrivya now, and then she can take over.